Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make fried plantain the Haitian way. First you need a green plantain, you have to wash it, and then you cut it off like this. You put it in some salt water. You want the water to be salty because you want the plantain to have some salt in it. Not too salty, but it needs to have some salt. And then you fry it. You wait until it's like well cooked. You don't want to put the fire too high. That way they show like they're burning from outside and they're not cooked from the inside. So you want it to be on medium heat. Right now this one they're ready. So we're gonna take them out, put them to the side so we can squeeze them. They taste so good when after you squeeze them. Then you fry it again. And the Haitian people, before you fry it again, we soak it back in the water, the salty water. Say salted water. Alright, now we're gonna put the plantains back in the water with the salt. And it's best to use a spoon so the water don't splatter on you. I meant the oil will splatter on you. Now guys, this is the final stage on how to make fried plantain the Haitian way. They are nice and crispy. Delicious. Now you want to cut them small so they can come out crispy. If you cut them out too big, it won't have the same it won't be crispy. It would be like soft. I don't like soft fried plantains. But if you prefer that, then you can do it that way. Bon appetit.